Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Logitech G602 wireless gaming mouse. Using my dad's phone, so it's not as great as quality as my phone. So yeah, we're driving. So wireless gaming mouse, up to 250 hours on the batteries. Got some extra batteries too. Let's see, let's peel the tape. This is what the mouse looks like when you open the box. Like a little magnetic strip right here. This little tape. It's like it. Doing this one-handed, it's not the easiest. This is probably one of the first car unboxings. Okay. Nothing else down here. And that down there. Here's the mouse in all of its glory. Let's see how I go. There you go. Oh yeah, I got new shoes too. Okay, it's right here. Let's see what it says. Oh, this is just a spacer. Nope, it's information. Yeah. Here's the mouse. It's harder than it looks. Try to open boxes one-handed. I got this from Best Buy, which is awesome. I'm gonna have to clean this all up and clean it. Oh, here's the wire for, I think extending. See, it's right there. Open this. Okay, here's the mouse. Pull it out. Make sure that little thing stays in there. Here's the mouse. It's really nice. I like it. Piece of plastic down here. See, it's like, this is where the batteries go. It's like diagonal down there. The batteries had tape in between. Alright. Let me put this cap back on. Yep. Sorry, it's upside down. It's really comfortable. 11 programmable buttons. Is this a button? No, that's not a button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it lights up. Oh yeah, it's DPI. Green. Really green. Turning that off so I don't waste batteries, but it's really nice. So yeah, that's all guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.